चांदनी जब तकरार देता है हर कोई साथ. The view is wow. Good morning, good morning. What's up everyone? It's time has finally come to leave this place and go to a new destination. I don't want to leave this, but I have to leave. So welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing good. I'm also doing good. May am nung library ko ni Thaze. This is Desan the Explorer. Our plan is to go from here to a place called Tensol. So I'll be leaving my motorcycle here. Yes, I'll be leaving my motorcycle here, and we'll be going on the Thars, one of the Thar. So vlogging will be a little different. I think it's gonna be interesting, and I hope you like it. And if you're watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So if you're watching for the first time, this is a tri-state expedition going on. Started from Nagaland, then Manipur, then Mizoram, powered by Blacktop and beyond, and traveling with few friends from all over India. So if you want to know more about it, please go to the playlist and watch the earlier vlogs, and you'll get to know how I land up here. Yes, time has come to leave this place. So many bags. City time.
Morning, Devson. What a fine, bright, sunny morning in Aizawl today.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to the Tensol trip.
Very excited.
Good morning, everyone from Aizawl.
Guys, meet the owner. This is Vani. She's the owner of this guest house, Aizawl guest house.
Oh, welcome to Aizawl Guest House.
Yeah. It's very homely. We'll definitely come back again.
Welcome.
Yeah. Thank you, thank
We
you.
are welcome you.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
We are thank you.
Yeah. Yes, bye.
Bye, beta. Tutu.
Bye.
Type it.
You
Oh,
can
you have
subscribe.
many subscribers.
Yeah, you can subscribe and you.
You can take his autograph. You know, he's going to be 50,000 in a few months. Keep loving. Keep supporting. Devson the Explorer. Devson the Explorer. Signing off.
Not signing off. We're going from here. Bye. Stay tuned. Yep. Time update 8 and looks good.
Yeah.
Tensol is it says in the map it says 92 kilometers and 2 hours 43 minutes. So if we count the breaks and all, so at least 3 hours. We will be there before 12. That's good timing, and it's good that we started really early. And I'm happy to be back on a Thar with Nikhil
Yes.
once again.
Hello. We will see some nice sights, and Devson will keep us entertained
All the
with
time,
all
all
the
the
new things
time.
we see and the new things we discover with Devson the Explorer.
100%, 100%. And the best part about Aizawl is we haven't heard any honking till now.
since we left. Yeah.
Yeah,
Amazing.
it's been almost a half an hour. No honking. Yeah. This is crazy, man. We should all learn this.
And the discipline is very nice.
Yeah,
Traffic
discipline.
is
Yeah,
very nice.
crazy. It's crazy, man. 9 a.m. right now, and the view on the left is crazy. Literally, like, we are on the top and we can see the cloud. Some crazy scene, man. This is. Let's go on the top. Woo! Wow. I think this view is crazy, man. I'll show you the view from here now. This is some crazy view, and the view is that's Azol. Yes, all. Lovely. It's quite far now. Yeah. Beautiful. Lovely. We have reached a village called Weifang. Weifang. Oh ho 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 ho! This is beautiful. Crazy, man. One more drone's gonna come out. Such a nice place, huh?
It is, yeah. On top of a ridge line.
I bought this. It's like orange. Orange from there. You bought like chili.
Chili. I got lots of packet of chili and some dried herb.
Oh, we got to go. Good to go now. We bought so few numbers on the way. हम बेवफा हरगिज़ न थे, चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम अगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ, वफादारी की वो कसमें निभाएंगे वो दो रस्में. आगे भूल गया. That was some, like, we had to take some break with this music. I wanted to sing along, and while showing some beautiful roads, and we are 20 kilometers away from Tezol.
Yeah.
So far so good. Enjoying, guys, enjoying a lot. And you guys also enjoy, and stay tuned, and stay till the end, watch it till the end so that you also enjoy the vlog. And if you haven't liked till now, just pause the video and give a like. And if you haven't commented, go comment, just leave a beautiful comment. Okay? Yeah, welcome to Kenzo. Finally. Feels good. Now I need to do some charging and everything. Let's go. Time to see the rooms. Let's go. Cottage. This cottage.
This one cottage.
One cottage. Yeah, this is for us. Fine, perfect. 3 people. Let's see the deluxe. Deluxe. Double height, huh? It's all wooden. Yeah, it's similar. Electron. View. Yeah. That's how it looks. How is the weather here? Is it hotter than or colder than Azure?
Colder.
Colder than Azure? So what's all things to see from here?
Here.
Twilio is the waterfall.
Yeah. And this also. Vantong.
This one Wantong.
And this one Dilpui.
Dilpui is the water body. Okay. These are all 3 of these are how far off from here? Dilpui is the nearest. This one. And next.
Vantong.
So maximum 15 minutes, huh?
Oh.
That's good. And this Dilpui is see this?
Yeah. Same.
Okay. Nice. So thank you. What is your name?
Mama.
Mom.
They call me
So yeah, thank you for showing us around and we'll be here and we'll check in. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Checking in. You want orange?
Bought a lot of oranges.
Orange you bought?
हाँ, वो जहाँ पे हम लोग मिर्ची के लिए
अच्छा,
रुके
ले
थे
लिया
ना,
क्या?
गाड़ी में पड़ा है.
अच्छा.
You also bought there only?
Yeah. 50 bucks.
Oh, I got lot less for 50. Yeah.
This is more. ज़्यादा हो गया है. खाएगा ना? आजा. This is going to be our room for today. Go Mew. Let there be. चाबी इसमें डाल देते हैं वापस. होए. We'll get proper food, no?
Shall I set it here?
Yeah, please.
Okay, pork is coming.
Sound is so high.
Yeah.
I mean, so.
Because there is a lot of water.